Good evening. I'm Rick Hamill, current Township Supervisor. I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. I have to question myself sometimes, why am I doing this again? And the reason I'm doing it is the same reason I did the first time. Something told me that I needed to be doing this job. And I've had, this past 4 years has been a tremendous experience for me. I was retired for 6 years, came out of retirement and went into the job of a lifetime. I mean, there's been great times, some bummer times, but most of it has been so interesting and so different from anything that I've ever done in my life. But it uses all of the skill sets that I've learned from day one. So my college education in business gets applied, my experience with mechanics and electronics and you name it, I get to use them all. And so the reason I'm doing this again is because I got a few things kind of rolling, I would say, and I want to finish up, have an opportunity to take some projects forward. So I really would appreciate it if I can get your vote again. I think I've done a tremendous job. I know I have a lot of support in this, and I'm here for you. I'm not here for me. This is not for the money. This is for what it is I've been asked to do. So thank you very much.